Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to do an unboxing of the Hamilton Beach blender. And this blender right here is a 2-in-1. So basically it has a chopper where it can, you have some vegetables or something like that. You can chop your vegetables up, your nuts up. You can make dressings and sauces with it. And it's also a blender. You can put your fruits in there, your protein shakes. Y'all got protein shakes, you mix it up. You can add some spinach. You can even add some broccoli to it. And it'll blend it up for you and you can just drink it. These are really good to have. A really good healthy choice too as well. On the box, as you can see, it got 2-in-1. The blender right here, it holds 40 ounces of glass jar, so 40 ounces, that's how much it holds. It says it has a revolutionary wave action system designed to continuously pull mixture down into the blades for a smooth results every time. No more ice chunks. And that is, you don't want to have ice chunks in your smoothies. You want it to be nice and smooth, no chunks in it. So that's good. It has 700 watts peak power. It's mess free and it's stainless steel. That's really good right there. For the chopper, it got cut chopping bowl, dishwasher safe containers, 2 speeds, and it has a cord storage. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, the box is it feels like it's not that heavy, but it feels a little heavy. So I'm gonna unbox this for y'all and show y'all what's in the box here. Here we go. All right. So look right here. Yep. We have the manual right here. So the manual is right here. It's a nice little thick manual too. All right. And it's like this is in good wrapping too, by the way. Plastic wrapping. That look like that's the chopper right there. This gotta be the chopper. Y'all can see this right here, zooming in for y'all. Yeah, this is the chopper right here. All right, and it comes in plastic, wrapped up in plastic. Everything is wrapped up in plastic, yep. And this is the top for it. Let's see, here we go. Oh, wow. Wow, here we go. This, it got a little weight to it. It do. It's a nice, good glass jar. Wow. Okay, and it looks like that might be all that's in the box. Got one more, ladies and gentlemen. One more thing. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the motor. Okay, and you got the cord and everything to come with it. And yeah, it looks like that's all, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is the Hamilton Beach blender and chopper. Those of y'all that want to chop your vegetables up and everything. Everything look good. I'm looking forward to see, how powerful and how good this thing is. I appreciate every single one of y'all for watching Super Album TV. Until next time, thank you.